Sometimes it gets too loud. So wait till my girls are up and then dance and three. Careful that we don't lose those keys. Oh, never wanna do what I'm told. Even if I mess it all up and make a million mistakes. At least I can say that I did it my way. Can't spend a line on my writings down. Hands up, no slowing me down. Since I did it my way, like a firework showing up on me at town. Even if it all burns out. Fingers and they all stare. Yeah, try to fit in your pockets, think Barbie dolls. Find a circuit and win them all. Maybe I'm dumb and naive, cause I realize you're not up at what it seems. So now I just and if I make a couple mistakes, say that I did it my way. I spent a line on my mind is bound. Hands up, no slowing me down. Since I did it my way, like a firework showing up on me out town. Even if it all burns out, did it my way. Wait, did it my Wait, did it my did it my way. Ooh, never wanna do what I'm told. Even if I mess it all up and make a million mistakes. At least I can say that I did it my way. Can't spend like 95 flying eastbound. Hands up, no slowing me down. Since I did it my way, like a firework showing up on me out town. Even if it all burns out, did it my way. Pag ganun. I did it my way. I like this song. It has a nice, nice message. Nice message. Resonates with me a lot. What if? Kaya ko ba ito ng karaoke? What if gawa ko ng sarili kong instrumental? Ito, tatagalogin mo. Oh? No, I wasn't gonna Tagalog. I wasn't gonna Tagalog it. Tagalog. Really sorry. Thank you for the rose, Davin. Rinig nyo ba? Ano ba chords nito? D sharp, C minor, F minor, C. Oh, dali lang pala eh. Hindi ito tatagalogin. Ilang bulol nga sa word na Tagalog, papatagalog. Grabe naman. You can break Taglish well, kaya you don't sound funny. Hindi ko pinagsasama yung accent ko sa English sa Tagalog. Ito pa. Thank you! Hindi naman siya bulol sa Tagalog, medyo lang. Grabe ba? Di ako bulol. Hindi ako bulol sa Tagalog. Ano lang. Ito lang. Tapos, minsan, kunyari, nasa interview kami. Mag-i-interview kami, tapos pagtatagalugin ako. O, di ba? Kaya ko yun. Ala, 21% na lang ako. Pagtatagalugin ako. Tapos, hindi ko kaya magtagalog kasi syempre, the entire time, nag-i-English na ako. Makakapag-Tagalog ka pa ba pag you get to express yourself in English na? So, parang sinasabi nila, ay, hindi to marunong magtagalog. Guys, marunong ako magtagalog, hindi ko lang kaya magtagalog sa harap nyo. Ganon. Tama dito nga eh. Fake Pinoy. Wow, fake Pinoy. Hindi ka tinanong talaga. Hindi, mother tongue ko talaga is English. Yun yung una ko natutunan na sa kid. Tapos sa school na ako natutong magtagalog. So, hindi naman porket, hindi naman porket sure. Anong sure? Ano yan pag kinausap mo? Hindi ako bulol. Slight lang, sakto lang. Kaya talaga eh. Na mag-charge ka na. 21% na lang ako. Ayan na nga. Hala! Sorry. Hala! Wag mong i-accept yan. May napindot ako. May napindot akong invite. 20% na lang ako, guys. Kung kaya't. Wag i-accept yung invite. Hindi ko napindot. Napindot ko yung invite. IGS ng cat size nga. What if full song cover na lang? What if full song cover? Edi very good. Okay. Gawa natin ng instrumental tapos ng vocals. Kaso kasi, hindi ako marunong gumamit. Aray ko. Hindi ko makuha. Anyway, I bought a microphone, but I can't fix it for it to work. I don't know why. Let's see. Tapos next year ma-upload. Uy, hindi naman tayo katulad ng dyan. Char. Anyway, kayo talaga eh, kung ano-anong nyo eh. Ano yan? Blue song cover? Ano yun? Ano yung blue song? What's a blue song? 20%. Ayaan na natin siya malobat. Pero maybe tomorrow I can go live. Ano naman yun? Blue by Kai? Ano yun? Hindi ko alam yun ah.
Sprite Zero. Things like a starlight watching stars. I could watch you by town without a thought. You'd be mine. If I took your hand tonight, you're all
that I want this life.
I think I'll picture us with the way the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your end, so let me fly with you.
Pwede.
Will you be forever?
AMS, ano yun? Not bad. Not bad. Ask me anything. Sure. Ang Tagalog ng lemongrass ay tanglad. Ano naman Tagalog ng celery? Tagalog ng lemongrass ay tanglad. Saan mo natutunan yun? Hindi yan tinuro sa akin nung ng teacher ko. Bakit hindi tinuro ng teacher ko yun? Thank you. Ay, ganun. Okay. Sorry na. Pagalitan talaga. Of course, I miss Fenisan. Blue by Yang Kai. Yang Kai, Yung Kai. Mas kong manhid. Nor. 19%. I don't care how long it takes. Ano? Katunog niya yun. As long as I'm with you, I got a smile on my face. Siguro sa TikTok ko to narinig. Lalo ko inantok dito. That I want this life. I'll imagine we fell in love and the moon was skies with... Wait nga, aralin natin. Morning eyes. Okay. Morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. You by. Tell without a thought. Would you mind if I took your hand tonight? That I want this life. We fell in love up under moonlit skies with you. You and the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. Kakaiba to ah. Bakit blue? Bakit blue yung title? Ocean colors on your face. Is that why? Nasa beach sila, gano'n? Tsaka sky. Diba? Money girl. Hello, Nanatsu. I think kasi calm yung color blue. True. Makes sense. Baka yung feels ng song. True. Trust the universe will always bring me to you. I'll imagine we fell in love on that wonder moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture the ocean colors on your face. In your hair, so that we fly with you. Will you be forever with me? Di ko mahulaan. Unlike yung Cat's Eye, nahulaan ko yung tono niya kasi ulit-ulit lang siya. Ito, hindi ko mahulaan yung tono. Ang galing. Oh no! Diba? Antok. Okay, good night. Ha? Anong magpinsan? Grabe na! Gusto lang nila magpinsan sila, Honor. Broken hearted talaga. Yeah, relaxing siya. Naantok na ako for real. Like, for real. Coley advice. Yes, what advice? I'm not an expert though. Go-to song ko. Ano bang go-to song ko? Let's check Spotify. Marami akong go-to songs eh. Mostly Disney. Excuse me. Go-to song ko. Lagi kong pinapakinggan. Good night. What would you do if you like someone from your circle of friends? Wow. Why? Depends on how deeply you know this person. Is it worth risking your friendship for? Or would you rather keep that friendship for your own sake? Yeah, mahirap yan. Kasi, biruin mo, your friends, how long, depende how long you've been friends, or what kind of friendship you guys have, and stuff like that. Me college will have a test in a few months. Oh no! Maybe soon. Share your personal playlist. In senior years? Oh man. You like in senior years. Tapos, so wait, is he or she making a move on you though? Take a risk or lose the chance ang ganap. Oo nga, mahirap yan. Kasi, you'd no, I wouldn't say take the risk or lose the chance, but like, it's din eh. It's a boundary kind of thing then. Kasi overdrive, hi. To take the risk, then go. True, but then, like, wait, andyan si Jaime. Wait, Jaime! Pumasok ka nga dito. Dali, tulungan natin to, dali. Aray, ang sakit. Jaime, kahit voice lang. Pumasok ka dito, dali. Gusto ko may kukwentuhan ako, dali. Come on. Pumasok ka dito. Mag-up ka, kahit voice lang. Gusto ko may kami. Ayan na. Yay! Ah, paano? Ayan. Dito si Akla.
Hello?
Hi!